Ever been woken up by your puppy in the middle of the night? You're not alone. But why do they do this? One big reason? They have tiny bladders. Puppies can't hold their pee all night, so they wake up needing a bathroom break. Loneliness can also be a factor. Puppies are used to sleeping with their littermates, so being alone feels strange at first. Too much energy? If a puppy doesn't get enough playtime during the day, they might wake up ready for fun instead of sleep. And sometimes it's just sensitivity. Puppies are easily startled by new sounds, which can interrupt their sleep. The good news? With time, training, and routine, your puppy will sleep through the night. Sweet dreams, little pup.